Did you know there's a tool that can measure something as tiny as the thickness of a strand of hair, but from the inside of a hole? Sounds almost like magic, right? That tool is called an Inside Micrometer, and it's one of those clever inventions that quietly keep industries running smoothly without most people ever noticing. You might wonder, why would anyone need to measure the inside of a hole so precisely? Well, imagine you're building an engine, where tiny metal pistons fit perfectly inside cylindrical chambers. If the inside of that chamber is even slightly too wide or too narrow, the engine might fail. That's where an inside micrometer steps in. At first glance, the idea of measuring the inside of a hole sounds tricky. After all, you can't just stick a ruler inside and expect an accurate reading. The Inside Micrometer solves this problem using a simple but brilliant design. It has adjustable measuring rods or anvils that gently expand until they touch both sides of the internal surface. You slowly turn a finely threaded screw, and as the anvils expand, you feel this satisfying, gentle resistance. That's when you know it's perfectly positioned. Then, you simply read the measurement of the micrometer's scale, which is designed to give extremely precise results, often down to 1/1000 of a millimeter. What's really cool is how it turns something invisible, like the exact size of an internal diameter, into something you can measure and trust. Think about fitting a cork perfectly into a bottle. If the cork's too small, it leaks; too big, it won't fit. The Inside Micrometer makes sure that bottle, or in real life, a cylinder, pipe, or bore, is exactly the right size. Without tools like this, manufacturing many of the things we rely on daily, from car engines to medical devices, would be a wild guessing game. It's one of those unsung heroes quietly making sure everything fits just right. Hello friends. If this video helped clear things up, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Your support motivates us to keep sharing practical insights from the world of industrial and manufacturing. And if you enjoyed this simple and easy to understand explanation, you might also want to check out our earlier video on digital micrometer, where we unpacked its working, usage, and tips in the same clear and beginner-friendly way. Who knows, you might pick up something new that'll sharpen your skills even more.